I guess it's my turn to play.
Father, Lucien's reputation is no secret. Sending him out there is an insult to the crown. It'll only heap more shame upon Aurelian.
Easy, Your Highness. Lucien could pull off a surprise.
A surprise? From him? Don't be absurd, Kale.
I'll tell you what you wanna hear.
Have you lost your senses? Get back!
Don't worry, Father. I won't lose.
Isn't this the worst wastler in Aurelian?
Out of champions already. And you send this trap! Pathetic!
Lucian's so desperate to rise, he's gone insane, huh?
Lucian, get down! Don't embarrass off Aurelian!
Another Valwen brat?
Come on.
You really think you can challenge me? Ah!
So, is this all you've got?
I've heard that the edge.
Someone's ever slipped away from Prince Bjorgen's Thunderhammer! Is this kid lucky or something? You! Lucian is amazing! Ha! That's my son!
I'm a butcher with no legs.
Wait a moment. Don't leave yet. I've already told you about this 800 times. Why won't you listen? Stop spending money on those short episodes. Click on the link below and you can watch for free. Watch all the episodes in one go until the end. No matter how many episodes there are, you can watch all the content for free. No subscription required. 100% free. From popular series to underrated good shows, it has everything. New episodes are released every day. High definition and smooth playback. You'll never be unable to find the content you like. Just download it into seconds and give it a try. If you don't like it, simply uninstall it. There's no loss at all.